Welcome back in Tech IPP channel. So Tech is today's interview question is really important topic. Today we are going to discuss really important topic about the SDET rule interview question. Most of the time interviewer asks, suppose you are testing a mobile banking app with a biometric login. With a biometric login. Okay. And the login is offline mode and you have to test the push notification. And you have deadline is only 2 days. How do you prioritize testing? So most of the time candidate get confused here. So firstly think and then answer. So today we are going to discuss about this one. So what you can do, the first thing you can do, understand the risk and impact, because the reason is you are testing a mobile banking app, okay, and there is a biometric. You are testing a banking app, first thing. Second one is a biometric and it's related to the login. It's related to the login, okay. So first thing, understand the risk and impact. What are the risk and what are the impact? Risk means banking app, high security and reliability. Second thing is deadline. Only you have 2 days. Only you have 2 days, okay. Focus on critical user flow, high risk feature. Second pointer, what you can prioritization. You can prioritize the things. You can just prioritize the things, okay. First, biometric face ID, okay, or suppose you are going to be again account or access account, okay. High but next usability plus notification, which is more usable and which is a more plus notification, which is usable notification. You are tapping on the notification, it's redirected to the within an app, okay. So this thing you have to consider. So most of the time interview asks, if you are sending any notification, so then what exactly happen? If we are sending any notification, then you have to tap on the notification and it will redirect to the app, and this one is exactly depends on, this one is totally depends on, suppose you are getting this notification, okay, and this one is your application. Once you have to tap on this one, it will be related to your, it will open your app, and in some cases once you have tap on the notification, it will directly open the notification, navigate to the notification page, okay. Keep in mind, okay. The second thing, nice to have all if time permit, okay. UI validation, alignment, performance, app load time, compatibility across the multiple devices, okay. And the simply you have to just answer. These are the things you have to be consider. These are things you have to just consider, and you have to simply answer because interview had not much time. So then you can do answer. Since we have only 2 days, I do risk based prioritization. First thing, risk based prioritization. I focus first on the biometric login and authentication security. I focused on biometric login and authentication security. Since login in the entry point, next I have validate offline mode to ensure unauthorized transaction have happened without connectivity. Means without connectivity, unauthorized transaction should not be performed. Then I have to test the push notification in both the cases. If you are connected with the internet, or if you are connected, if you are not connected with the internet. In both the cases, if you are connected with the internet, then notification should be comes. But if you are not connected with the internet, then notification should not come, and it will be, and there should be some set of criteria in the push notification, okay. Keep in mind, push notification and push notification have some set of criteria. It will keep 1 hour, it will keep 2 hour, or it will keep 3 hour, this one, okay. 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour, but after 3 hour it will be dismissed, okay. Suppose you are not login right now and you have pushed 10 notification, okay, and so after 3 hour you are getting login, so that time you are getting this, but exactly after 3.01 you are again sending, you are getting again 10, then it will comes to the 20 notification. So it's not a usable. So that time you have to ensure that after 3 hour or 1 hour, whatever time limit set uh, by your team lead or by your project manager, so you have to also focus on this one, okay. Okay, transaction alert, because directly affect customer trust. If time remains, it will cover UI, okay, performance and device variation. This way the most critical high impact area of the tested deadlines. Got it? So this one is a simple answer. So most of the time interview asks this question. I hope you get the understanding about the this question, how you can test the biometric login for the offline mode and the push notification, okay. So please stay tuned to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Goodbye. Have a nice day.